I do some of my best thinking while driving. And I was just thinking how on YouTube, in the realm of my channel, there is some very, very powerful forces. I'm not saying for the good or bad. I'm just saying there are a few who are exceedingly intelligent and exceedingly good at what they do. These guys are so smart and so good at what they do. They sit back and they watch a new bozo come along, such as myself, and they take up a little chit chat, and these guys are great. And the new bozo, he's shocked that this person or these people are even witnessing his garbage. Speaking of myself, of course, and one power out there in particular. And it occurred to me, as the new bozo finds his abject disgust when he realizes he's not YouTubey and never will be YouTubey, and he's not playing the game, and he might hit 500 subs before he calls it quits. This man hit over 10K, and how much fun the power can have with the new clown in town. As the new clown's disgust and his openness, his willing to drop the F-bomb or two, and he feels emboldened. He's got a couple hundred subs, right, Wirehead? And he's having a good time. Now, the new clown in town, he doesn't care if you subscribers unsub. He's having fun. It's not about the subs. The channel's not monetized. He just straight up doesn't give a shit anymore. Right, Wirehead? And how the power out there, oh God, the fun he could have in the comment sections with a carefully worded, expertly crafted comment or two, which is, in effect, that comment is a device. It's an instrument of expert design. And the new clown in town, he knows what's happening, but he's unable to help himself, and he reacts. Oh, how much fun that experienced YouTuber of so great wisdom and experience, how much fun he could have with the new clown in town. I'm the new clown in town. I'm Wirehead. A nickname given to me by my friend Greg, may he rest in peace. He died of sudden cardiac arrest at the age of 49. We're ex-CBer buddies. I never could get him into ham radio, but rest in peace, Greg Bessey. You know what, man, I miss you. So, I'm the new clown in town, Wirehead, N-A-N-K. And the powers that be, well, I said there's a couple few, but I'm thinking of one in particular. And I don't want to mention Greg's name because he may take offense at this. I'm not suggesting he's tweaking my mind in the comment section. All I'm saying is that he should. I'm almost at my destination, my sister Nancy's house. Boy, am I going to gather a few dislikes for this. Probably for driving with my knee in an idiotic video. Those being the main reasons. 73.